another video, and in today's video I am doing this green eyeshadow look. This was inspired by St. Patrick's Day because it is nearly approaching and I really love green. It's one of my favorite colors. I love olive green. Just green tones are just my favorite. So yeah, if you guys wanna know how I created this green eyeshadow look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am only going to be doing my eyes. The rest of my face is pretty much done, and I am mainly going to be using this palette right here. This one is the Morphe 35B. Since this is a St. Patrick's inspired look, I am really going to try to focus on using these green shades right here. I will probably be using the Too Faced, what is this thing called? Chocolate Gold Bar, which is this one, and I am really digging this shade right here, and it's called Money Bags. This shade right here is super gorgeous. I am totally digging that, and I am also digging this Mica pigment, and this one is in the shade called Lucky, and it's super bright, vibrant, like almost like a neon green. So that's what I'm going to be using to create this look, and let's go ahead and get started. opted to do kind of a little cut crease with the lighter shade. I hope this inspires you guys for your St. Patrick's Day look. And yeah, I wish you guys the very, very best. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.